Good morning, children. Welcome to class 7 science once again. I hope you all are safe and stay home. Children, you know very well, in the month of September, you have periodic test second, that is half yearly examination. Okay, it is basically known as periodic test second. Okay, in which we have updated the syllabus that will you get soon in 7th standard group of all subjects. Here, first of all, I am just saying the syllabus of science. In science, children, I am giving chapter number 1, that is nutrition in plants. Chapter number 4, heat. Chapter number 5, acids, bases and salts. Chapter number 6, physical and chemical changes. And chapter number 7, that is weather, climate and adaptation. Okay, these chapter will come in periodic test second. Okay, I repeat once again: chapter number 1, chapter number 4, chapter number 5, chapter number 6 and chapter number 7. These chapter will come in your periodic test examination. Okay, this is about syllabus that will come in periodic test second. Okay, maybe possible the exam will start from the third week of September. So you ready? Okay, you learn all the keywords from these chapter and summary, that is very important. Okay, these are very important things that I told you. Okay, summary and keywords, and also you learn the question answer that we are giving. Okay, the format of the question paper is MCQ based. Okay, so you ready for that, and I hope you all have submitted your activity and diagram, that is internal assessment I have given to you. I hope all have submitted, and those have not prepared yet, I am giving 3 days more to you. Okay, you can take 3 days. After 3 days you submit. Okay, children, clear? Now children, today we are going to start next chapter, that is chapter number 9, soil. Okay, soil, you know very well, that is a most important natural resource. Why we are saying that is most important natural resource? Because it supports life on the earth. Okay, soil support the growth of the plants and trees. Okay, the soil is also a home of many organisms like microorganism, beetles, and soil that is also essential for agriculture. Agriculture means we take the food, shelter and clothing from agriculture, and agriculture is due to the soil. So these are some importance that I told you. Okay, now see about this soil. See, first, soil is one of the most important natural resources necessary for life on the earth. It supports the growth of plants and trees by holding their roots. Okay, the roots of the plants and tree hold by the soil, and the soil support the growth of the plants and trees. Okay, soil, as I told you, is a home of many organisms such as bacteria, fungi, soil beetles, soil mites, rodents, ants and earthworm. Okay, these type of organism that are found in soil. So soil is also a habitat of different organism. You can see on your screen the picture, that is snake, that is also found in the soil. Rat is found in soil, and earthworm. Okay, earthworm is also found in soil. Okay, means the snake and mite, they make their home in the soil. Okay children, clear? So soil, that is one of the most important natural resource. Another, that is soil is essential for agriculture, which depends completely on the fertility of soil. Okay, if soil is fertile, then it supports the growth of the plants. Okay, but if soil is infertile, it does not support the growth of the plant. So it is necessary in agriculture, soil should become fertile. Soil should have fertility. Okay, clear? Agriculture, that is totally depend on soil, that fulfill our basic needs such as food, shelter and clothing. Okay, so in last we can say that the soil play a very important role in the life of human being as well as animals. Okay, clear? Now children, now we'll see how the soil will form, how the soil formation takes place on the earth. So children, the soil formation is slow and stepwise process. Okay, and by the process of weathering it is takes place. Okay, see here, soil formation. Soil formation, that is a slow and stepwise process. In this process, the soil is formed from the breaking down of rocks. Rocks will be breaking down due to the action of sun, heat, wind, rain, flowing water and climatic condition. Okay, so due to the action of these things, the rocks, that is breaks down into the small particles that will form the soil, and this process is known as weathering. Okay, see on your screen, soil is formed from rocks by the process of weathering, the process by which huge rocks are broken down into small rock particles by action of sun, heat, wind, rain, flowing water and climatic condition is called weathering. So weathering, that is a process by which soil are formed. Okay, it's a very slow process. It takes more times. It takes millions of years. Okay, clear children? Next, when plants and animals die, their bodies are decomposed by microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi present in soil to form organic matter called humus. Okay, that is very important question regarding your exam. Okay, what is humus? Humus, that is formed from dead plants and animals. Okay, the decomposer that act on the dead plants and dead animals and convert their body into a simple substance, that is humus. Okay, and the name of decomposer is bacteria, fungi that are already present in soil. Okay, so humus, that is a dark amorphous substance, organic matter that increase the fertility of soil. Okay, If humus will not found in the soil, that means soil will less fertile or soil need fertilizer, okay, like urea or any other thing like gobar, okay, dung. These things required by soil for fertile if they do not have the humus, okay, clear. Now children, why the humus is important? Because in humus nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus are found, and these nutrients are needed by plants for their growth and development, okay. So for the growth and development of the plant need humus, clear. I hope you learn very carefully what we discussing. Now children, next, that is the topmost layer of the earth crust consisting of the mixture of rock particles formed by weathering of rocks and humus is called soil, okay. So in last we can say that soil is a mixture of the topmost layer of earth crust and humus, okay, and both these are combined together to form soil, okay children. So today we have taken a quick review of soil, and in the next upcoming videos we'll discuss about composition of soil, soil profile, types of soil, and some activity will perform here, okay, and soil and crops also. These are the content of this chapter that we'll discuss in the upcoming video. So today that is an introduction that I have given in front of you. I hope you have learned carefully, okay. Thank you. Stay home, stay healthy.